Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change transparency of floating shortcut button for a select to speak function in Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, then vision tab at the top, and here we have select to speak option, and here is the switch for the shortcut. Our button is here visible, as you can see, and we need to tap the shortcut option, then we need to tap the more option, and here we have our fade option. So fade when not in use, we need to enable it first, and now we can change transparency of our fade option. So we can have it less transparent, more solid, as you can see, and we can make it almost invisible. Of course, we can disable this function altogether if we want to. And that's all.